Hello everyone, welcome to 60 Thoughts. Today we are going to talk about what is meant by binary relation in lattices and Boolean algebra. So let us consider capital A and B are any two non-empty set. Okay, so a binary relation capital R from a set A to a set B is set of pair where the first element taken from the first set and second element taken from second set. Okay, if A is related to B, then it is denoted by A comma B belongs to R, otherwise it is denoted by A relation B. For all A belongs to capital A and B belongs to capital B. So what is meant by binary relation? So we have to define a relation set R. How to define relation set? We take first element from first set, second element from second set. This form is called what? Pair. You take first element from first, second element from second set. This is called binary relation. Okay, in a single line, we can say that binary relation is nothing but R is subset of A by B. What is the meaning of subset? Set of all elements contained in some another set. That is called binary relations. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.